Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, FIL, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using FIL. FIL is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Can increase in development activity and FIL's downtrend amid market capitulation. This too shall pass. It might pass like a kidney stone, but it will pass. This is exactly what Filecoin's long-term holders must have been telling themselves at this point in time. Unsurprisingly, FIL has capitulated massively from its all-time high. At the time of this analysis, the token was trading at $18.13, down by more than 90% from its April 2021 high. It's worthy to note that the project shows a lot of promise, which hasn't really translated into its price action. After 6 September 2021, investors have been wondering if it's a long-term downtrend or just a good time to buy the dip. Here is the answer. Even though Bitcoin has been trying hard to cross the psychological level, FIL seems dormant in this regard. Bears have been driving the FIL market for quite a long time now. Well, in the current market structure, if the bulls defend and exert pressure, FIL might go up to test its local top at $21.68. And, in case the selling pressure kicks in, the token might tumble down even below its $16.98 floor. At the time, the Filecoin market needs buyers to defy the long-term bearish momentum. However, it's important to note that due to the token's unimpressive performance, a lot of investors have preferred to walk off cutting losses. Investors who bought the token in the bear market of September 2021 must have been feeling guilty now. Also, it's interesting to note that even though there has been an increase in volume at some points, the price hasn't responded to it at an equal level. RSI, at the time of writing, stood at the 49 mark looking south. Notably, technicals make it obvious to understand that the current market isn't offering buy the dip opportunity. But what about the metrics? Well, the price chart may not be able to show the latent money-making opportunity, but on-chain metrics reveal the true picture. And, in the case Filecoin, the scenario looks dull and worrisome. The on-chain 12 different startups with Techstars' network of mentors and investors to build blockchain projects using Filecoin. Likewise, Internet Computer has also jumped more than 15%. Its native token ICP is currently trading at $22.38, still a whopping 96% down from its all-time high of $750.73. The Internet Computer is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain that seeks to decentralize the cloud computing space currently in place. The token's recent rise could be related to its founder Dominic Williams' ambitious plan to inform the Russian population of the real goings-on in Ukraine. In a Medium post, he outlined a scheme that would incentivize users to watch content about the Russian invasion. For their attention, they would be rewarded in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Naturally, the Internet Computer would be the primary vehicle on which this plan would be executed. After Filecoin and Internet Computer, VeChain and EOS have also mounted large rises. The VET token powering the VeChain network is currently up nearly 20%, while EOS's eponymous token is enjoying a rise of more than 16% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. And Bitcoin's whopping market share of the entire industry, its rise has been the primary motor behind the wider recovery in the markets. It remains to be seen how long the bulls can maintain control, however. And second news, Gitcoin grants have raised more than $1 million in Ethereum for Ukraine. As the military conflict between Ukraine and Russia continues, WEB3 has stepped up for Ukraine, sending nearly $100 million in crypto donations to the Ukrainian government and NGOs operating in the region, according to Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation. Now Gitcoin, the platform that rewards coders with crypto, is adding its support by hosting a fundraising campaign called GR13. Running from March 9 to March 24, GR13 is a pool of grants under the Gitcoin banner that includes a pool to benefit Ukraine. GR13 is the 13th quadratic funding round Gitcoin has launched, and Gitcoin co-founder Scott Moore tells Decrypt it's part of our move to donate to more real-world causes. The Ukraine-specific pool of GR13 has raised just over $1 million in funding to support Ukraine as of Thursday evening. WEB3 projects Polygon, Algorand, ENDS, Uniswap, Ulanpuzdao, Nounsao, OpenSea, Radical, ZK Tech, and Open Gaming have all joined Gitcoin's GR13 initiative by offering matching funds of their own, in varying amounts. Nounsao, ENDS domains, and Filecoin are among the projects that have donated to the Ukraine pool, specifically. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, FIL, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, FIL rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term FIL price forecasts will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21, and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. FIL price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, FIL is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore FIL could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. FIL has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. FIL is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. FIL price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. FIL is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average FIL price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, FIL's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. FIL price prediction 2027. FIL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever.